Hello everyone, today I'm going to teach you very quickly on how to reset the SES Service Engine Soon on the Nissan 2002 to 2006 Altima. But it should work on the Maxima, Versa, Murano, whatever Nissan within the same generation because, well, probably even more or less similar generation should work as well. Let's do it. So on, 1, 2, 3, and then we press 5 times on the brake. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then we press and hold the accelerator until the light is supposed to start blinking, and then the light will start blinking and it's going to show you some Morse code. Okay, so it started blinking and we can release it. Once again, press and hold the accelerator until this thing is gone. So we're supposed to press for 10 seconds. So I think it's supposed to be gone. Let's give it a try. And it's gone. There you go. So thank you guys for watching, and if it helped you guys, well, please subscribe and like the video. Thank you guys. Bye bye.
Well,